Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about another awesome project. The project name is Somania.network. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not investment advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. So first of all, you can check. I am here on the website homepage. You can check out the Somania network, the metaverse computer. You can check out their about us token ecosystem. They have very great ecosystem. You can also join their community, blog, and light paper. Twitter, Discord is also provided. You can join it. So basically, what is Somania? Somania is a L1 blockchain and set of omni-chain protocol that connect metaverse. It allows to user to move across experience and build a combine array max content, creating new undefined virtual society. Basically, it's a L1 blockchain based on omni-chain protocol. You can check out their concept. So if I scroll down, you can check out their Somania protocol, Somania blockchain, metaverse browser, metaverse maps. So if I scroll down more, you can check out their blockchain for the metaverse. You can check out their information is also provided. You can also read it. Highly scalable, predictable, low fees is AVM based. You can check out their all the information. You can check out their metaverse protocol. So if I scroll down, you can check out their connecting experience, Remax content. If I scroll down, you can check out inciting usage. So you can also check out their extended NFTs. So they have a Web 3.0 NFTs app for the metaverse. You can simply click on start building, and you can check out they are creating a global data computer layer. So if I scroll down more, you can check out their metaverse powered by AMSCURD. Dive into a world extraordinary experience that have been powered by AMSCURD and soon will be enabled by Somania. Mega events, thousands of people across sport, music, gaming. Somania is a stage camp of the most spectacular happenings in the metaverse. You can use your sport and music experience in Somania network. So you can check out this ecosystem. So if I scroll down, they have very strong partnership. You can check out their partnership members. You can also check out be a part of the metaverse for computer standard, stepping the metaverse from the building, explore world, Somania your gateway. Join the benefit. You can check out their how to work, what is Somania and how it unique the metaverse landscape. Somania is a metaverse computer, a pioneering network designed. So you can check out their information. Somania network and Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit is also provided. So if I click on Twitter, you can check out their Twitter account. So you can check out their Twitter account. They have 22k plus follower on Twitter account, and simply click on follow option, and my account is not logged in. So you can check out their information, the Metaverse Computer Virtual Society Foundation. You can check out their link tree. So if I scroll down, you can check out their pinned posts, and you can check out this 18 hours post our launch event. Somania NFT NYC is a massive success with over 300 attendance. You can check out their Somania Quest point with $100k in community rewards powered by Somania. You can check out what is Somania Connect, create, contribute, Somania network community. You can check out their one pager, and if I scroll on more, you can check out their metaverse computer and Somania Virtual Studio Foundation partnership, and you can also check out all the information provided here. So this is a Somania network. You can check out their website, Twitter, link to Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, and you can check out their Virtual Studio Imparable M2E, and you can check other information. So if I click open this Discord account, you can check out they have 15,000 plus member on Discord, 1,000 is online. They have very good community, and you can check out their light paper. Simply if you want more information, simply click on light paper, and then light paper will be open. So first of all, you can check out the introduction. Somania is new project invited by Virtual Studio Foundation. The project aims to realize potential in metaverse, help create fulfillment value for us. You can check out their Somania introduction. You can check out their mission. What is the mission of the Somania? we want to realize Metaverse is a most powerful project, and you can check out their bad and uncompetitive experience. No way to put world economy change than part of connecting Metaverse. No way endless compares and other while remaining investable. So you simply click on problem. You can check out their problems, and solution is also provided. Simply click on solution. You can check out their overview. What is the Somania network overview? You can check out the information. Metaverse browser, Somania ecosystem, Somania protocol, blockchain, and other blockchain. Simply click on Somania. You can check out all the information. Simply click on Somania blockchain, and you can check out here. So first of all, you can check out their Metaverse browser. Simply click on Metaverse browser. You can check out their Metaverse browser. So if I open this image, you can check out their information is provided. So if I scroll down, you can check out the other information is also provided. You can read it. If I read it, the video will be too long. And you can check out their playground. You can also use the play to earn protocol and their experience browser, event browser. And you can also check out the Roblox discovery view and their protocol. I already told they have very good and major protocol. And you can check out their SOM 0, SOM 1. If I SOM 0, you can check out their objective protocol. And this is SOM 1. You can check out their SOM 1 protocol, entries, address, system, smart contracts, and companies and everything provided here. You can check out their objective, competitive honor, C-label, ticket, and you can check all the information provided here. So this is the Somania blockchain. Somania blockchain key feature, overview, key innovation, and cancellation. So if I click on ecosystem, you can check out their ecosystem overview. You can check out their Metaverse collective browser profile views, experience engine, object creation, avatar creation. So it's a all-in-one project. Object laboratories, blockchain infra, object service, NFT minting, wallets, identify protocol, exchange, launchpad, and everything provided here. You can check out all the information. You can check out their experience in the Cosmos virtual listing. And if I scroll down, you can check out their profile browser and content creation. So if I click on content creation, you can check out their avatar creation. They have object creation and experience engine. So you can check out their off-chain friction. You can also check out all the information provided here. Service and description is also provided in Web 3.0. You can check out their MetaMask Rainbow wallet. You can use the MetaMask Rainbow wallet, OKX wallet for using the Somania network. You can also read out all the other information. So it's a very good project for beginners. You can also check out their Twitter account, and they have yellow tick, and you can check out their homepage. So the ecosystem is coming soon. You can check out their token is also coming soon. They have community. You can check out their community is also provided. So you can check out the connect, create, continue, open it all. You are entry to Metaverse computer. You can connect with us, X, Zilla, Telegram, LinkedIn, and links, Reddit, Galaxy, BR, Dreamwear. You can check out their benefit, exclusive access, community event, feedback, influencer, reward for recognition, education resource. You can check out this. Simply click on apply now, and after clicking the apply now, you can apply it, and the Somania ecosystem application will be open. You can check out the form is opening. So let's talk about other feature. Simply click on event option. After clicking the event, you can check out their event. So this is the simply click on submit, then click on continue. You can check out the Somania network, and you can check out their Somania ecosystem application form. What is a project website, what is your name, what is your email, and you can connect Telegram. After clicking the connect Telegram, can you please project Discord? Simply enter your Discord, and simply enter your question answer. Are you interested to join a Somania network? And then enter your message. Simply enter your email, then click on submit. It's very easy method to sending the Somania net request. You can check out their previous experience, upcoming experience. There is no upcoming event, and this is the previous. You can check out their previous experience, and you can your journey through the open metaverse. You can check out their metaverse information provided here. So if I scroll down, go back, you can simply click on apply now. This is a blog. You can check out their blog, and in the blog section you will be get latest stories from the Somania ecosystem. You can check out their blog section. This is the latest news. You can check out Somania quest offering community points and win 100 $100,000 in reward during the Rare 2 testnet. Dream walking into the metaverse computer. The Somania one pager. Somania prepared to bring million of users in the metaverse. So it's a 100x potential project. What they offering, what they want to do, and it's a big project in 2024. You can check out the other information, ecosystem, community, blog, light paper, token about us. You can check out all the information. You can join all the community of this project, and you can check out about us, the base layer of the metaverse, and you can check out their Somania networks are designed by metaverse with million of users. Acclimate 100 billion in isolated TVLS. Here are scalable, affordable blockchain, interoperable compose experience, and you can click on read more. Join us in the building new virtual society. Become a part of Somania. Simply click on this and you can fill the form easily, and your request will be sent. And you can also click on learn more. You can learn more about this project, and this is the introduction, light paper. You can check out, this is the about us section. You can also check out about section. So I already told everything about this project. If you have any question, you can do a comment without any hesitating. And I hope you enjoy this video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video. Have a nice day.